In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate a rank in Excel. To get started, click the empty cell where you want the first ranking result to appear. This is the cell that will display the rank for the first value in your list, so make sure it lines up with your data in a way that is easy to follow. Next, type equals rank.eq, followed by an opening parenthesis. This formula is used to compare one number against a full list of numbers and return its position or rank within that list. After that, click the first number in your data list that you want to rank. This tells Excel which value it should evaluate first. Then type a comma to move to the next part of the formula. Now click and drag to highlight the entire range of numbers in the list. This selected range is the group Excel will compare against when calculating the rank. Once the full column or list is selected, press the F4 key on your keyboard. This adds $signs to the cell references and locks the range in place. That part is important because if you copy the formula down later, you want Excel to keep comparing each value to the same full list, not a moving range. Next, type a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. Then press Enter to see the ranking result appear in the cell. At this point, Excel will calculate where that first number stands within the selected list. Once the first rank is showing correctly, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the cell that contains the formula. Hover carefully until your cursor changes into a solid black plus sign. This is called the fill handle, and it lets you quickly copy the formula to the rest of the rows. When you see that black plus sign, double-click it. Excel will instantly fill the ranking formula down through the rest of your list. Because you locked the data range earlier with F4, each row will still be ranked against the full original list, which helps keep your results accurate. If your rankings appear as expected, then you are done. You now have a quick and efficient way to rank values in Excel without entering the formula one row at a time. That covers everything you need to know.